Hi everybody and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. If you can tell, we're filming in a different place today, but that's what we do at the library. We film wherever we can find space. So today for American Girl Afternoon, we are going to be making doll cupcakes. These might not look exactly like cupcakes, maybe they look a little more like milkshakes in the containers that I had to get, but it's okay, they work. They could even be regular cake if you wanted to take it that far, but these are going to be doll cupcakes. They sort of look like cupcakes. So you'll see in the time-lapse video that it's not hard to make, but it uses one of my least favorite things in the whole wide world, hot glue. So what you need 3 or 4 big pom-poms, the outer container, hot glue, 1 small colored pom-pom for icing, regular glue, and seed beads for the sprinkles. So all that you do is you put hot glue in the bottom and you put your first pom-pom in there, and then you put more hot glue and you stack your pom-poms until it's kind of overflowing over the sides. I thought I could do it in 3, but with the sizes I picked, I needed 4 so that it kind of gave that over the top like cupcake type of feel. So I ended up with 4. You might only need 3, it's fine. Then you put hot glue on the very top and you put your colored pom-pom on there, and then you use regular glue. You can either use the white glue or you can use clear. I just brought the white glue, so that's what I used, and it kind of looks like icing if you use the white glue, so that's fun too. And then you just drizzle that on top, and then you sprinkle your seed beads on. I did mine like 1 at a time because I wanted them in specific spots. But if you would rather just go like that and see where they fall, that might get messy. So, you know, if an adult at home doesn't want to be cleaning up seed beads forever, maybe you do what, you know, the 1 at a time method, but you don't have to, especially maybe if you're going to do it out on the back deck or something. But that's all that there is to it. It's pretty easy. You can add other stuff, like if you had little paper cutouts of cherries or anything that you would like to put on. It's totally up to you, but there are make and take kits for this, and this is what you'll get in the make and take kit, and that is how you will make it. So we hope you enjoyed this craft. We hope your dolls enjoy their cupcakes, and we'll see you back here next time for American Girl Afternoon. Have a great day.